So welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video we will gonna learn what is Salesforce Demo Org and how we can create a Salesforce Demo Org using Partner Portal of Salesforce. So before moving on to the practical, let's first understand what is a Salesforce Demo Org. A Salesforce Demo Org is a special Salesforce environment designed especially for demonstrations, presentations, proof of concepts, and customer showcase. Think of it like a ready-made showroom. Just like a car company has a showroom to display cars to a potential customers, Salesforce partners use demo orgs to showcase Salesforce product, features, industry solutions, and business processes to potential clients. A demo org often comes with pre-configured data, sample records, and business scenarios that make demonstrations much more realistic and engaging. So the question is, why do we need demo? When you are giving a demo to a client, appearances matters. If your org contain random test record like test account 1, dummy contact 2, ABC opportunity, it doesn't create a professional impression. Clients want to see realistic business scenarios. There are multiple benefits of Salesforce Demo Org. You can create professional client demonstrations. It is faster for pre-sales activities. It is for industry-specific demonstrations. And also, if we talk about proof of concept, before a customer purchases Salesforce, they often want proof that the solution can meet their requirement. Demo orgs help us build quick proof of concept and validate ideas. But let's talk about developer org too. Developer org has a lot of options too, a lot of things we can do in the developer org too. But there are limited things. You did not get pre-configured data. You get less access at developer org. That's why demo orgs are best when you want to showcase something to a customer. And also, many professionals use demo orgs to learn new Salesforce products and features in a realistic business environment. Now, the first question is, who can create demo orgs? Now, this is very important part. Demo orgs are generally available through the Salesforce partner ecosystem. If you are working with a Salesforce partner organization or you are working in a company which is a Salesforce partner and have access to the partner portal, then only you can create and manage demo orgs. Okay, so I hope I'm clear about it. If your company is a Salesforce partner organization, then only you can have the access of partner portal. And after the access of partner portal, you can create the demo org from it. So let's jump to the practical part where I will show you how you can create a Salesforce demo org. So I have opened my browser now. So I will search for Salesforce Partner Portal. So I will open this link, Partner Learning Camp. So here you can see I can just log in from here. If you already have login credentials of Partner Learning Camp, then it is okay to log in from here. If you do not have Partner Portal credentials, then you have to ask your company to provide that, because without that you cannot enter in the Partner Portal. So let me log in from here. Here now I need to log in with my Salesforce org, which is affiliated to my Partner Portal. I will gonna choose my username now, which is affiliated to my Partner Portal. So I have been logged in my partner community now, and you can see my profile is showing up here. That means I am logged in. Now I need to go to learn, and then you can see there is a partner learning camp. Here now I need to click on the start learning, and now it is asking me to log in again. So let me click on the login button. And here you can see my partner learning camp has been opened. Here I have completed 5 courses and there is no incomplete course. Now I want to create a demo org. So what I will do, I will just click on this demo org option. Let me first click on it, and then you can see I need to fill this form and then my demo org will be created. So before we create the demo org, you will notice that Salesforce is showing a large number of demo orgs, templates and options. Here you can see there is a lot of options from which I can create a demo org. Now, if you are seeing all this option for the first time, don't worry, this is completely normal. Many people think that a demo org is just one standard Salesforce environment, but that's not actually the case. Salesforce serves customers from many different industries and business domains. A healthcare company has different requirements than a bank. A manufacturing company works differently from a retail business. Similarly, a sales team has different processes compared to a customer service team. That's why Salesforce provides multiple demo orgs template. Each template is designed to showcase a specific product, cloud, industry solution, or business use case. Maybe some demo org focus only on sales cloud, maybe some are designed for service cloud, maybe some are agent force and AI capabilities, maybe some are built for industry clouds like such as financial services, healthcare, manufacturing. No, others may contain pre-configured data and business scenarios for specific customer demonstration. So think of these templates like different sample projects. So instead of building everything from scratch every time, Salesforce provides ready-made environment that are already configured for a particular purpose. So this helps partner and consultants save a lot of time because they can simply choose the template that best matches for their customer requirement. For example, if I'm meeting a customer who wants to improve their sales process, I would select a sales focused demo org. If another customer is interested in customer support and case management, I might choose a service cloud demo org instead. So there is no single best demo org. The right choice depends on what product, industry, or solution you want to demonstrate. So for the demo, I will just choose the SDO-Lite org because SDO-Lite is a lightweight version of Salesforce simple demo org. It is designed for user like who need a ready to use Salesforce environment for demonstration. And it has a fully loaded demo environment. It has pre-configured Salesforce setup. It has a lot of sample data. It has all common sales cloud and service cloud scenarios. It has basic demo tools. It has faster provisioning compared to larger demo orgs, and it also has some features which are not available in developer org. Like some days ago I wanted to work on agent force voice, and I was not able to find it in developer org. And then I created this SDO-Lite demo org, and I found that agent force voice setup in this org. So that's how you get some additional functionalities, additional features, additional data, additional configurations in demo org. So I will just gonna, you can see my other information is already filled here. I think I can change the username, but I will leave it as it is. I will checkbox this and then submit. And now I will get an email after some time. So let's wait for some time and let's see if we get the link in our mail or not. So that new demo org will take some time to be get created. So let me show you my org which I created 3 days ago, and I got this email. Like you can see, set your password, and then I can set my password by clicking on this, and then I will be logged in my demo org. So let me open my demo org now. So after resetting the password, I am in my demo org. So you can see it is pretty similar to the normal developer edition, but it has a lot of features. You can see when I'm going to the account, I can see a lot of accounts here. There are much more records than a developer org. And whenever I'm trying to create a new record, so you can see it is using multiple record types. It has every scenario which should have been in a sales cloud. So in normal developer org, you did not see that much options. There are multiple features which is also available only in demo orgs, like if I'm searching for agent force voice, here you can see I'm getting this. And also there are some beta features which are only available on demo orgs. So you can see that's how you can create a demo org, and you can use it to create some projects for demonstration. So that's how you can create a Salesforce demo org. I hope you understood the process, and now you can create a demo org by yourself. So thank you. Let's meet on the next video.